Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how you can stop Adobe Acrobat from automatically opening when you are saving a PDF file. So let's do it. Alright, so we're here in Adobe Acrobat and we're going to go up to the top left hand side. This is the desktop app. We'll look for the menu icon and we're going to go all the way down to preferences. This is where you can change everything about the app. Right over here, you will see a couple categories on the left-hand side. You want to locate internet, right? It's a couple items down. You want to just click on that. Right over here, you want to look for internet options and just underneath that, internet settings. And from here, this window over here will open and you will go to the top and look for programs. Once you're in programs, you'll now look for manage add-ons where you can manage this add-on. And right over here, in here, you can see at the bottom on the left-hand side, it says show add-ons that have been used by your browser. What we want to look for is run without permission. This will show you all of the add-ons that run without your permission. Now, right at the top, the Adobe PDF Reader, this is the one that we're looking for. If you click on it, you will see that it says enabled. What we can do is travel down to the bottom of this window and click on disable. You will now see that the status is disabled. And now when you open a PDF, or when you save a PDF rather, it will not automatically open in Adobe. I hope this was helpful.